The United States Federal Aviation Administration has approved the country's first fully automated commercial drone flight. In a document posted to the FAA website, the company American Robotics Inc., Massachusetts-based, get partial clearance on January 14 that allows their drone to fly beyond the line of sight of long-range pilots. Signed by Deputy Executive Director of Aviation Standard Service, Robert C. Carty, the permit allows American Robotics to operate a quadcopter drone with a maximum takeoff weight of 20 pounds in a rural environment for research, development, and training. According to the document, American robotic drone operations may only be carried out during the day in low-altitude areas that are not yet regulated with the light air traffic and will be limited to 400 feet above the ground. Additionally, each individual flight will occur within the confines of an American Robotics customer controlled access farm or similar rural environment that meets the same criteria. The agency also highlights the public's interest in the case, writing that regulators will learn more about automatic operations by allowing American Robotics to continue its effort.